Hey guys, okay, today we are going to be working on our order of operations study guide. So go ahead and pull that up and let's get started. Sorry guys, let me get my pen adjusted here. There we go. All right, so we want to start. Remember, order of operations. You go parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, and add and subtract. There are your 4 steps. So right here we do not see any parentheses, so don't have to worry about that. However, we do have an exponent. What an exponent means is you take the base, we're going to multiply it times itself 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. So 27 minus 4 times 5 plus 10. All right, our next step is multiply and divide. Notice right here we have some multiplication. So 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to keep this minus sign. There we go. Our last step is add and subtract. Remember, we go from left to right. So 27 minus 20 is 7. Plus 10 is going to give you 17. So there's your answer for that one right there. All right, next one. Remember, we're doing operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, and add and subtract. So we have two sets of parentheses, but notice in this parentheses it's just one answer. It's already solved. So 2 minus 4, well, that's negative 2. Because remember, we keep, change, change. And the opposite of or since they're opposites, we subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. And keep the sign of the number farther from 0. All right. Now I'm going to keep the rest of my problem. Next, exponents. All right, here we have an exponent here. Now look, this is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Here's why this is so important. Negative 2 times 2 is 4, and a negative times a negative is a positive. But we still have to multiply it times a negative 2. 4 times 2 is 8, but a positive times a negative is a negative. So be careful there when you are doing exponents of negative numbers. Just keep that in mind. Now we have multiply and divide. Notice here, I can keep the sign with negative 6 if I want to, or I can make it a positive 6. It does not matter. But here's the deal. If I decide I want to keep the sign with this, all right, negative 6 divided by negative 6, that's negative 2. All right, it's going to give me 3, and a negative divided by a negative is a positive. We'll keep the sign with it. Here's a reason why. I'm going to pluck the negative 8 to the side here. Pose the positive 2 right here. Now I can just add and subtract. Negative 8 plus 3, negative 5. All right, and negative 5 plus 2, since the signs are different, we're going to subtract. And we're going to keep the sign of the number farther from 0. See how all those integer rules come back. All right, here's our next one. I'll write the rules to the side. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, add and subtract. PEMDAS. So parentheses here, 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. Keep my plus sign. 2 minus 5. Now remember, keep. Can't do 2 minus 5, so keep. Change the minus to a plus. Change the positive 5 to a negative 5. We subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. Keep the sign of the number farthest from 0. Notice I'm going to bring down the rest of my problems. I wonder why my pen's not working here, guys. Let's see what's going on here. There we go. All right. Now, no exponents, no multiplying, dividing, just adding, subtracting after this. 1 plus 4 is 5. My pen just decided it wanted to die, guys. I'm so sad. It's a good pen, too. 5 plus negative 3 minus 7. Okay, the signs right here are different, so we're going to subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number, that's positive. So here's my minus 7. Remember, keep, change, change. Signs are different, so we're going to subtract. Keep the sign of the number farther from 0. Not too bad. We only got 2 more to go. We got this, guys. Alright, yet again, parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, add and subtract. So we have some parentheses here. Let's do those first. 2 minus 1, 1. Alright, I'm going to bring everything else in that problem down. I do not have any exponents, but I do have some multiplying and dividing here, and we need to go from left to right. So look, 3 times 1, negative 3, divided by 3 plus 1. Now I got negative 3 divided by 3. Well, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and a negative divided by a positive is a negative. Bring down my plus 1. Now I can add and subtract. Now remember, guys, when you add a number and its opposite, it's always going to be equal to 0. Last problem, we got this, guys. Remember our order of operation, parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, add and subtract. So here we go, 2 minus 5. Now look, we can keep, change, change. Alrighty. In this case, 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 is farther from 0. Keep its sign. Here we go. Bring everything else down. Alright, my next step, what I want to do is there's no exponents, I'm going to multiply or divide. So negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. Divided by 2 plus 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Add 3. So my last step is add and subtract. 6 plus 3 is 9.